Hi, my name is Laia and today I'm talking about my town, Banyoles. Right, I'm talking about the location, the different villages in Pla de l'Estany, the population, the places to visit, the typical food, and the activities you can make in the lake. Location. Banyoles is a small city in the north of Catalonia. Banyoles is the capital city of Pla de l'Estany, and we have the 20 kilometers to Girona and 120 to Barcelona. Different villages in Pla de l'Estany. Vilademuls, Palol de Revardit, Cornellà del Terri, Fontcoberta, Esponellà, Crespià, Serinyà, Sant Miquel de Campmajor, Porqueres, Banyoles and Camós. Population. The population of Banyoles are 19,159 and Banyoles have got a lot of tourists. Places to visit. You can visit the lake, the museums, the squares, the wall, the church and monastery. Typical food. The typical food of Banyoles are tortada and arròs de l'estany. Activities you can make in the lake. You can rowing, water polo, swimming and canoeing. Thanks for your attention.